Okay, so here's an example of how we would actually use this rust grip stuff. So, obviously it's not sanded down. The coils have been sprayed. We're going to spray this silver rust grip stuff, let that dry, and then we'll go right to top coat. Supposedly it sticks to unpainted surfaces. I say it's a gimmick, but whatever. This is what the big bosses want us to use, so I will oblige them. Here's the rust grip shot. Not pretty, but it is, I guess. Now we're going to move on to the gray. Okay. And here is the finished product. A little on the chunky side, but apparently that's what they like. And that is it for my day.